Simba TV.
Plants have flowers primarily for reproduction. Flowers are the reproductive structures of flowering plants' angiosperms and serve several key purposes: attracting pollinators. Many flowers have bright colors, attractive shapes, and pleasant scents to attract pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds. This helps facilitate the transfer of pollen from one flower to another. Reproduction. Flowers contain male and female reproductive organs. Pollination leads to fertilization, resulting in the formation of seeds and fruits, which are essential for the next generation of plants. Genetic diversity. By encouraging cross-pollination between different plants, flowers promote genetic diversity, which can enhance a plant's adaptability to changing environments and improve its chances of survival. Seed dispersal. Some flowers develop into fruits that protect seeds and aid in their dispersal, often through animals that eat the fruit and excrete the seeds elsewhere. In summary, flowers play a crucial role in the life cycle of plants, ensuring their reproduction and survival.